Welcome, temporal agents. As you can see, we've got 2 boxes. It's going to be a different video than we normally have. This is going to be an unboxing video. A new time-sensitive device goes out and finds time capsules. Let's get into this. All right, guys, we're going to start off with this smaller box. Now, this smaller box, of course, was an extra purchase. It didn't come with the set. So let's get into this and see what we got. Careful with knives. All right. So here's our first item. It's already packaged up. And now you'll start to see what this boxing is about. So this is the actual digger. That bad boy. And then find those time capsules that are hidden from us. And it comes with a nice little nifty sheath. Cool. Let's get into the bigger box. Here. Get this on camera. So this is the Garrett AT Pro 5-year anniversary special. Comes with a couple other added bonuses out there. So let's open this bad boy up and take a look inside. So when you get this, angle it for the camera there so everybody can see. The way it sort of comes packaged. I'll set this off to the side. We'll pull off all the little goodies that it comes with. So you get a pinpointer to target those time capsules that are hidden out there. Nice little sheath for that, to carry that one in. Pretty cool. Comes with a keeper's box. So when you find your little time capsules and find all the little items that's been lost in time, that you put them in a nice safe place. You get a couple of books with it. One on Vaughn's favorite finds. And another one from donor manual. Looks pretty thick. We don't need that. And then you got your 2 halves. And of course at the bottom, right in here, guys. But you have the coil at the bottom, as you can see. I'll have to get my trusty knife back out here. Welcome, I didn't cut myself to death. And there's the coil finally out of the box. The other thing that came in this box is this. Let's open this up and see what this is. Oh, these are the headphones that goes along with the item. The headphones, you get the headphones with it, metal detector, the box, and the pinpointer all for one price. It's a very good price. You can go out there and check it on Amazon. I'll actually maybe even set out a link for it if you're interested. Leave me a comment down below if you want to know how to get one of these. So that's it. I'm going to have to figure out how to put this together, how to turn it on, how to work it. And you know what? Since we threw away the manual, because we don't do that, there's only one thing I can do. So what I have to say is this. No, I don't want the penny yet. No. No, I'm not going to need a penny. Penny dog? Agent Penny Dog? Help us, Agent Penny Dog. You're our only hope. God help us all. All right, guys. Hope you liked the video. I'll get this together and we'll probably have another video of us going out and doing the trial run of it so y'all can see how what ends up happening. So thank y'all for having me watching this video. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Maybe a comment down below if you have any questions. As always, happy hunting and good luck.